Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's lecture topic of ENT is Otalgia and Tinnitus. We divided our lecture into 5 sections. In the first section, we will talk about the causes of Otalgia. And then in this, we will specially talk about the local causes of Otalgia and then referred causes of Otalgia. And then some psychogenic causes of Otalgia. And then in the second section, we will talk about different referred causes of Otalgia. And this is referred from the 5th cranial nerve via 9th and 10th cranial nerve, and then we will talk about the referral from C2 and C3 and then spinal nerves. In the third section, then we will talk about tinnitus, which is our second topic of this lecture, tinnitus. And then in this section, we will discuss about different types of tinnitus, and then especially we will talk in detail about what's subjective tinnitus and what's objective tinnitus. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about treatment of tinnitus, which is mainly the reassurance and psychotherapy. Then we will talk about techniques of relaxation and biofeedback, and then use of sedatives and tinnitus instruments. Then in the fifth and final section of our lecture, we will talk about the tinnitus retraining therapy, which consists of habituation of reaction and tinnitus, counseling, and then sound therapy. So 2 main topics will be covered in our today's lecture. One is Otalgia and the other one we will talk about tinnitus. So to learn more about these topics, keep watching sqadia.com.